Did you know that in 2018, a small town in Switzerland called Zug became the first place in the world to accept Bitcoin for tax payments? This quirky move was part of an experiment to embrace digital currencies, earning Zug the nickname Crypto Valley. While most places were wary of crypto, Zug saw it as a chance to innovate. The town's decision sparked global interest, showing that even traditional systems like tax collection could adapt to new technologies. It's a reminder that sometimes the smallest places can lead the biggest changes. Like, comment and subscribe for more fun facts.